Hey guys, as you can hear, it's absolutely teeming down rain. We've never been in rain like this much rain. It's been blowing a gale. Our campsite is absolutely flooded. We have water running through our camp. We have in-ground, we have our own lake views in our camp. But we're still cooking tea. We've got tea cooking. We're pretty dry. We've got a couple of little drips coming down through here. We had to quickly throw these walls up. We haven't got them in order, but we've kept ourselves reasonably dry. Ellie's just over there sleeping through it all. What do you reckon, Ellie? Oh, you don't care. But this is camping. You can't worry about it. You just got to cop it and move on. But she's fair blowing. Like, I'll come out here. Have a look out here, guys. Look at this. I better go fix that. I've just seen a problem.
Hey guys, well, after that storm I actually forgot to record anything and just let you know, but I did get up the next morning and walk down to the beach and record this beautiful sunrise, probably the calm after the storm, but we got through it okay. We didn't have any real problems, just a bit of water that was pooling in the top of the camper there when I said I had to go down and fix it. Put another pole up in there and it was all good. Water dried up in the camp. We had our tea. It was bloody beautiful, and we got on with our camping. You got to expect this at times when you go camping and you have a bit of rain and you might have a few minor leaks and things like that. But our rooftop tent was bloody beautiful. It stayed really nice and dry, and we had a good night's sleep. And we got up and went for a drive the next day. So that's what you'll see next. So thanks for watching, and if you like, just hit that like and subscribe at the end of the video. Thanks very much.
Hey guys, well, we just come for another little drive and we've gone the opposite way to what we went the other day, where we showed you down there at the other little fishing place where you could go down. I can't think of the name of it. I'll put the name up on the screen, but we're down at Walker's Point. Now, it is part of the national park, but there's some walking tracks you can do here. I'll just show you the sign. They've got a 12-kilometre one and a 6-kilometre one, so nice little track, but unfortunately dogs aren't allowed down there. I'd like to do it, but we've got Ellie and it's too hot to be leaving her in the car or in the camper trailer back at the caravan park. But certainly a beautiful little spot. There's only, we're just reading, there's only 30 something blocks in this whole little area. Little old like fishing shacks the developers haven't got here yet, so hopefully it stays that way. But look down here, what a gem of a spot. Beautiful today. Like, there's a few storm clouds on the horizon. We copped a big storm yesterday afternoon, and but we might get another one today. But have a look at this, would you? You see some beautiful spots, but this is absolutely fabulous. Just fantastic. Look at the water out there, look at the beach. I mean, the tide's out at the moment, or going out, but just awesome. Just go down here a little bit further, show you a few of the boats and that down here. It looks like there's another little village over there. I'm not sure what that is. I'll have a look on the map and I'll let you know. And he's just checking it out now. See, obviously no dogs allowed down here. Huh? But look at this. So that's Burham Heads over there. So just over the end of my finger there, Burham Heads. Look at all the boats, they're all up on the sand where the tide's gone out. If I can get over there, I'll go over and show you, but just an awesome little spot. I might even see if I can stick the drone up here and go for a little fly and show you around. I'll go up and grab it and we'll go for a little flight, and I'll show you that. Okay guys, we're going down to Burham Creek. Reserve. Got in 4-wheel drive and got the traction control off. So we'll go down and have a bit of a look and see what it's like. Yeah, just wanted, this is a camping spot. We couldn't come down here because we have alley. No dogs permitted because it is part of the state forest. So I want to come down here and just have a look at it, show you around so that we can, so we know what it looks like, see what the track's like, and it's a bit much like Kinkuna that we drove up to the other day. Got to take it nice and easy, so I'll show you a little bit more when we get down there. Shouldn't be too far away from the water now. Big lizard crawling on the road there. Go on, you silly bugger. Go on, get out of the road. Go on. Go on. Okay guys, I can see the end up there now coming through the forest, so not too bad of a drive, a little bit soft in places, but if you just keep your foot down, or keep it at a reasonable thing, follow the tracks that are there. It's a bit soft in places, but not too bad at all. So Woodgate certainly is a good place to come and visit. There's plenty to see and do down here, but some great campgrounds if you can access them. Got Kinkuna over that way, and then this one down here, which we'll have a look at in a sec. Okay, I can finally see the campgrounds up here. I thought they were on that last corner there, but it wasn't that. I can see some posts up here, and so we'll pull in here and we'll have a look around. Got fairly rutted the last 100 yards or so, so I just had to slow down a bit. But still very drivable. So here we are, Barham Point Campground, beach access. So we might go up and have a look at the sign up there, then we'll come back and have a look at the beach access. Fires are not permitted, so you can't have fires down here, and camping only. There's a little bit of a bush water tank there. We'll come up here and we'll have a look and see what's up here. I can see a couple of campers up here. So I'll just get out here and we'll have a look at the sign, and I'll show you around. Alright guys, well we've just driven down to Barham Point camping area, so here we are here. So there's a sign there. Tells you where you can park, where the sites are, all that sort of thing. So it's a two-way track. Two-way, we're on the one-way section here, so we'll have to drive around there and go out. Great little spot by the looks of it, a few campers in there. You got your e-permit camping tags there that you got to pick up, but they got toilets over here. Not sure whether there's showers in there or not. I doubt it, but we can have a look. But a few little campers in here. I'll quickly go over here and show you around. Yeah, so there's about 11 camp spots here, I think. So yeah, there is showers here. So you got showers in here, toilets, looks pretty clean. So good little spot. There's two people down here. We'll go for a walk down to the beach access and we'll have a look down there, eh? And see what we can see. But yeah, you probably want good solar here. Looks like there's a fair bit of tree cover here, but nice looking spot though. Be actually nice to come down here. We'll go for a drive around and we'll show you around. Just the car beeping at me because I didn't put my seatbelt on. It's about the most annoying thing about this four-wheel drive. There is a hack I read somewhere or seen on YouTube where you can turn it off. I might look into it, because you can't lock your bloody keys in the car. So that's the circuit there off to the left, right. The walking track we've seen down at Walker's Point. So, okay, that's the walking track that we've seen down at Walker's Point. So that's where it comes to, just here. So if you were to follow it, you'd end up here at this camping area. So we'll go down a little bit further and show you down at the beach. Okay, here's the beach access at Burham Point. So a little seat here, but you can't see much because the trees are overgrown over it. I don't know whether they get a lot of campers down here, probably in holiday times. But have a look at this. I'll just walk out here, and how awesome is this? So you could probably drive all the way back there on the beach if you wanted to, right back to Woodgate. But out here, over there is where we were at Burham Heads. So this is the other side here, and I think way out in the distance there, I can't see it at the moment, but out there is Fraser Island. Yeah, I can just see it on the horizon there now, the tip of Fraser Island. So what a another fantastic little spot to come and visit. You can see people up here fishing. So great little drive, great little camping spot. So, you know, thanks for watching. This is our last day here camping at Woodgate. We're actually going to a new destination tomorrow. We haven't quite decided yet, but I'm sure I'll put a video up about it when we do. Thanks for watching. I hope you're still enjoying this content. Let us know what you think. If you want me to do anything different or see anything different, just let us know. But now hit that like and subscribe. Hit that bell too. If you can turn the bell on, it'll give you a notification when I put a video up. And see you on the next one. Okay guys, we're just about back off the track now. Like I said before, thanks for watching. I just thought I'd show you coming back out again. A little bit harder here, but softer in places, but great track overall. Well worth driving down just for the visit down there. Like I said, you can probably drive, I'm not sure whether you can drive up the beach to there or not. I'd have to have a look on the map. I can't remember whether there's rocks out on the point out there, but you can definitely get to it from down there. If you want to drive down there, there's a beach access down there. So great place. Thanks for watching. See ya.